How to watch members only video on YouTube. So to watch a members only videos on YouTube, you typically need to be paying member of the channel. Here's how you can access the exclusive videos. Right, so first of all, you have to subscribe that channel and obviously you need to log in into your YouTube account. Then you have to just go and click on join, which you will usually find beside the subscribe button. Now here, once you subscribe and just go and click on join here, you will see this option 3, for example. These are the subscription or whatever you can call it, plan or different kind of categories. So let's say this is a little bit expensive, this is normal. So if I just go and click on join, then YouTube will ask me to pay for it. Now once you pay for it, then you will able to access the members only videos which this channel has uploaded, right? And then only you will to able to access them. So YouTube also offer a 1 month free trial of YouTube Premium, which allow access to members only videos during the trial period. You can sign up for the trial through your account settings. If you're a member, you will receive notification when a creator goes live with a member only stream. You can click on this notification or visit the creator channel to access the stream. Right, so this is how you can do so, and thanks for watching this video.